Hey guys, it's Nicole, your go-to Bulacan Realtor. Oh guys, this is something new because this is the first time that I'm gonna feature First Park Homes in my YouTube channel. Actually, matagal naman namin tong hawak, pero hindi ko na siya masyadong nabibisita. Pero today, so excited kasi finally nabisita ko na siya and this is one of their branches in Baliwag, Bulacan. So nakikita niyo sa likod ko guys, ang napakagandang model unit ng First Park Homes. Diba guys, ang First Park Homes, it's actually already a brand endorsed by famous celebrities, diba? And also, marami na siyang branches sa South area, Tagaytay, Cavite, and then sa North area, Bulacan, Pandi, Baliwag, Pampanga. So, marami na po siyang mga projects. So, this is the kind of developer na already proven and tested, diba? So, kaya ngayon guys, mag-house tour tayo. Mag-start ako sa kasi yung mga model nila, just to give you an overview, like, merong single attached, alright? So, we have middle unit and also an end unit. Townhouse. Ito yung tinawag nilang sa Calista pair and then yung kanyang floor and lot area. Nakikita niyo sa screen. By the way, pag tinurn over to, kasama na yung gate and fence. So, ganito na talaga siya. Ang ganda ng design niya, very classic. Tapos, ang luwag ng mag-yard space mo. Guys, ang laki ng kanyang space. Like it. Bukas. Ayun. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. Kaya pala siya tinawag na Calista pair. Kasi parang pairing. Pair. So, perfect to, no? Pag big family, tapos magkapatid, o kaya parents, ganyan. Kaya, basta magkamag-anak, o kahit mag-best friend lang kayo, pero gusto nyo parang like one house kayo, no? Ganda. So, sa baba pa lang, guys, ito kasi yung isa pang door, eh. Yan. So, dalawa yung door, access door niya. Pwede mo nga siyang gawing ganito. So, parang nagkaroon talaga siya ng malaking dining space over here, dining and kitchen. And then, ito, service area. And then, ito yung, niya, toilet and shower. Guys, check mo. Alrighty. Ang laki ng kanyang, living area, guys. Tapos, may CR doon, may CR uli dito. So, dalawa yung toilet and shower niya. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang laki ng toilet and shower. Tapos, may service area pa yan. Okay. Calista pair. I like how they did yung, interior design nila. In fairness, tingnan nyo, guys. Akyat tayo sa taas. So, dito, second floor. Ay, ang ganda. How many bedrooms? Okay, meron ka pa ditong gantong view. May gantong effect siya, Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Hello! Hi there! Tignan niyo guys, may ganito siyang yung view to the living space. Okay, so we have our bedroom here. Looks like a master's bedroom. Ang laki. Pwede dito queen size o kaya king size. Very nice. So, tignan niyo kung gaano kalaki yung kayang ilagay dito na closet for Calista pair. Nice, no? Kasi itong space, may space pa dito, May ganito pa siya. And then, so tatlong kwarto siya, no? Another bedroom. Ta-da! Hello there! Nice. And here, may space pa dyan for the closet. And then this is another room. So in total, we have 3 bedrooms, okay? 3 bedrooms and then 2 toilet and shower. So if you will ask kung meron bang toilet and shower sa second floor, wala. Ang ganda ng view niya dito, from the second floor, guys. So, ang toilet and shower niya na dalawa ay nandito po sa ground floor natin, okay? I hope we are clear for our Calista pair. Yung kanyang dalawang toilet and shower. So, let's talk about the sample computation of Calista. Alam mo, mas gusto ko yung background dito, guys. Kasi ang yung background dito sa, kanyang, ano lang to, ha? White lang to sa turnover. So, syempre, nilagyan lang siya dito ng wall sticker. Oh, ang perfect na. Nilagyan ng wall sticker. Ganda na, diba? Okay, so flashing on the screen the sample computation for Calista pair. Okay? So, ayan po yung ating Calista pair sample computation. There you have it. Very affordable pa rin, diba guys? No? So, this is in Baliwag, Bulacan. At pare-pareho lang naman yan. So, kung halimbawa, gusto ko yung Pampanga nila. Okay, no problem. Sa Pampanga kita ipapareserve. Doon ko bibigay yung mapa sa'yo, yung Pampanga area nila. Kung gusto mo, yung Pandi, Bulacan, no problem. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo naman dito, guys, pare-pareho lang naman po kasi mga signature model yan. So, same lang po yan ng design, okay? Nagkakatalo na lang yan siguro ng kaunti sa kanilang mga pricing kasi syempre different location. Pero ano na rin yan, good rough estimate na rin yung pinapakita ko sa screen for our Calista pair muna. So yan muna tayo sa sample computation yan kasi we have more model units to check out here. Tara. Yung mid naman siya. After this, meron tayong Calista mid. Ito yung Calista mid. So, tignan niya. Calista mid, meron siyang exterior design na mas naka-forward sa harap. Pansin nyo, di ba yung pair kanina, yung maluwag na, tapos may ganitong design. So, yung design, yung ating floor and lot area on the screen. So, mas maliit ang floor area ng middle unit, syempre yan. Lot area, yan. And, parking pa rin dyan. Kasyang-kasya ang parking. Tapos, guys, oh, wow! Welcome to Calista Mid, your living area. Dining, ito, nilagay dito yung dining. Living, dining, ang laki. Tapos, ito kitchen. Kasi tignan mo yung ginawa dito sa living, oh. Nilagyan pa ng ganito, oh. Nice, no? Tara, guys. I'll show you the first toilet and shower. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang first toilet and shower. Natching ako. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So, ito yung kanyang shower area. Malaki siya, guys. Ito malaking shower, tapos kasama yung mga fixtures. And by the way, this is also the service area. Naka-close lang siya, pero may service area dyan, or laundry area, guys. And syempre, the turnover of this unit is complete finished. Okay? Syempre, hindi kasama yung mga furniture. Sa model lang yan eh. Ang ganda nung yan. So, sa stairs, ganito siya, alright? Ano ang design ng stairs niya. Okay, this is concrete, ha? Concrete. And then, we go upstairs. Oh, very nice. Ang luwag ng hallway, guys. Oh my gosh. Calista Mid Toilet and Shower number 2 is really spacious. Spacious. Oh, tignan nyo, guys. I like to emphasize na pag tinurn over to sa'yo, pwede ka pang bumili ng bathtub. Kasi kasya po dito yung bathtub kasi nga perfect square ang shape ng kanyang second floor toilet and shower. So, mag-bathtub ka dyan. Diba? Bongga. And then, ang luwag ng hallway, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys. Luwag nyo, no? Diba? Luwag. Ito na yung ating bedroom 1. Bedroom number 1. And bedroom number 2. Our bedroom number 2. And of course, master's bedroom. Ang ating master's bedroom, yung pinakamalaki natin. So, master's bedroom, guys, double bed size or queen size ay kasyang-kasya po sa ating master's bedroom. Look at that. Oh, guys, ha, in total, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and shower. Taas-baba yung kanyang CR. Diba? Very nice. So, there you have it, guys. Check out yung kanilang... Meron pa siyang Calista end unit naman ang tawag doon. Let's go. Ito. And floor and lap area showing on the screen right now. Meron kang part. Welcome to Calista Mid. Wala siyang gamit, so ang maganda, naka-actual turnover siya. O, diba? Kitang-kita, ganito yung sa kanyang sink. Okay, high ceiling din siya, guys. In fairness. So, complete finish, turnover. Maganda ang turnover niya. Ito, meron kang space dito. Itong space na to, guys, laundry area. Okay? Ipapa-enclose mo na lang yan. That's your laundry area. Pakita ko yung toilet and shower niya, malaki. Ayan. The toilet and shower, guys, ay malaki. Okay? In fairness. May fixtures na. And let's go to the second floor. So, how many? 1 and 2. Alrighty. So, bedroom 1. Bedroom 1 of Calista Mid. Okay. Very nice. At master's bedroom. Ito na ang ating master's bedroom. So, this is the most affordable unit here in First Park Homes. In total, we have 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and shower. Ayun siya, guys. Yung view niya, okay, so from the second floor, meron siyang ganitong design, vertical windows. Ang ganda niya, guys. Very aesthetic pa rin tignan. And of course, let's talk about this Calista Mid sample computation. Pinapakita ko sa screen ang sample computation ni Calista Mid. Siya na po ang pinaka-affordable sa lahat ng model ng First Park Home. So, ayan siya, guys. Kayang-kaya na siya. Pwede yan ang solo or combined income, di ba? Caring-carry na ang ating Calista Mid. Yung pang sample computation, di ba? Ang house tour natin ngayon, lahat ng model, nakita nyo, mamimili ka na lang kung saan pasok yung income mo, di ba? And of course, your preference and taste. Let's go to the last model, which is at last, kasi may end pala siya. Okay. Calista End. Pag sinabi mong end unit, guys, may extra space ka na sa kabilang side. So, on the screen, lot area and floor area lang naman. Diba? Let's go to Calista End model. Ito na yung magiging car garage mo. Pwede dito ang SUV. At meron kang space sa gilid kasi nga end unit yung pinili mo. Pwede ka ditong mag-garden. Look, guys. Pwede kang mag-garden dito, pati yung likod niya may space po. Diba? Calista End. Okay, welcome. So, when you enter Calista End, okay, you will have a really nice living space. And then dito, ang ginawa to sa model unit, nilagyan na lang dito ng tiles to, and then dito na in-attach yung television. Pwede nyo rin gayahin yan kasi to save a bit of space, di ba? Kung gusto mo ng space saver, pwede mong gawin yung ganitong design. At syempre, pwede ka dito mag 4-seater dining table. At ito yung iyong kitchen. Kitchen turnover. At ito naman yung kanyang toilet and shower, number 1. So, toilet and shower, hello! It's cutie. Oh, ayan o. Malaki pa siya, guys, actually. Kasama na yung fixtures. And, we go to the second floor. Calista End, ha? Calista End unit ito, ha? How many bedrooms? We got 2. So, this one, actually, this is bedroom 1. So, pwede mo ito gawing bedroom 1 or home office. So, in this model unit, ginawa nilang home office. Pero kung lalagyan mo to ng kama, syempre, bedroom 1 to. So, bedroom 1 and then, master's bedroom. So, in total, ang ating Calista End unit, ayan, no, di ba? Pwede dito ang double bed sa iyong master's bedroom. In total, we have 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and shower. Calista End. Let's go. So, dito naman siya, guys, from, yan. Yung view niya. From upstairs. And magbibigay din ako ng sample combination for this unit. Alrighty. The beautiful and the stunning Calista and unit model sample computation on the screen. Ayan. So, nadagdagan na siya ng konti kasi syempre nga naman, lumaki yung kanyang lot area. So, technically speaking, pareho lang siya ng Calista middle or inner unit, pero yung lote niya nasa end side, kaya may extra lot. Kaya siya tinawag na Calista end. Okay po, so yun po yung kanyang difference in terms of the lot area. The design is just the same lang naman. And then, the last model, it's called Una. Una, single attached. Pupuntahan natin yun, guys. Diba? Tuloy-tuloy itong house tour natin. Marami kayong makikita today. Hindi ko kayo titipirin. Okay. So, from the outside, I want you to have a very good look of our Una. So, ito po si Una. Unang-una ka sa First Park Home, single attached. Ganyan yung kanyang exterior view. Very classic, very maganda siya. Kasi ang laki yung kanyang lot area. On the screen, floor area and lot area. Nakikita nyo naman, guys. Okay? So, dito, kaya SUV. So, malaki yung lot, ha? Ito pa lang, yung garden space mo pa lang dito, sobrang luwag na, garden, sobrang luwag. So, kung isa lang naman yung sasakyan na ipapark mo, so, magpagawa ng jacuzzi, or deep pool, sa gilid mo, sa likod mo, why not? Ang laki pa niya, guys. Okay, have a look. Have a look. Ang ganda at ang laki pa ng ating single attached dito. Kaya mamaya, at the end of this video, kung pasok pa rin naman yung income mo sa computation, kayang-kaya, sige, attach ka na lang, di ba? Tara, let's go. Let's go inside. Konti ang layout ni Una, okay? Because, okay, this is going to be your living space. Living area, Una, okay? Meron pa siyang paganitong effect. And then yung kanyang kitchen, naging straight siya dito, di ba? So, straight, naging ganito yung itsura ng kanyang kitchen top. Kitchen and dining over here. Ayan. Diba? Ito nga yung access door kanina doon sa service area. Okay, so ito siya, guys. 4-seater, kahit 6-seater. Pwede. Okay, let's go to the toilet and shower. Yan. Maganda pa rin at malaki pa rin ang size. Andito yung kanyang stairs to the second floor. We go upstairs. And, yung hallway niya, ganito. Ganito siya sa hallway, yan. Yung second toilet and shower niya, guys, let me show you. So, ang maganda sa kanya, guys, sa Una single attached, meron kang toilet and shower sa baba, meron din sa taas. So, in total, how many? In total, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and shower. Bedroom 1. So, bedroom 1 is a little bit small, pero kaya pa rin dito ang single bed, diba? At bedroom 2, masters to. So, dito tayo sa bedroom 2. Ayan. Okay, nice. Bedroom 2, dahil mataas naman ang kanyang ceiling, kung big family, pwede kang mag-bed bunks or double deck. Ganyan. At syempre, master's bedroom. Welcome to the master's bedroom. Oh, wow. Pwede dito ang double bed, kaya rin ang queen size kasi talagang extra spacious ang master's bedroom mo sa single attached. Una single attached ni First Park Home. So, ito yun, guys, ha, nag-iisa lang yung kanilang single attached dito, which is ito na yun. They're single attached. Una. Let's go to, ayan yung view niya, ha. From the second floor, yung view niya, ayan, guys. Very aesthetic pa rin yan tignan. At, magbibigay na ako ng sample competition. Saan ba tayo maganda? Dito. Okay, this side. Di naman siya against the light. Yan, di ba? Perfect. So, dito ko na ibibigay sa inyo guys yung sample competition nitong una single attach. Ang dami nating video. Okay, mag-review tayo, okay? Una nating tinignan yung Calista pair. Yung pair na yan, kung malaki yung pamilya, yan yung parang dalawang bahay, pero isang unit lang yung binibili mo. Pairing siya. So, Calista pair. And then yung kanilang Calista middle unit, di ba? May dalawang klase yung Calista mid nila, yung mas malaki and then mas maliit, yung pinaka-affordable. And then Calista end unit kasi may extra lot sa gilid, okay? Tapos, ito naman yung una single attached. Ito yung kanilang, nag-iisa lang naman yung single attached nila dito. So, pinakamalaki nila. Si una single attached. Okay, guys? So, ayan siya. Sample competition on the screen, di ba? Carry ba? Kaya ba? 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath? Kung pasok naman sa'yo si una single attached, edi mag-single attached ka na. Di ba? House and lot yan. Forever yan. Permanent yan. Kapapamana mo yan. And, ano siya, lifetime. Yeah, lifetime investment yan. So, dahil ganyan guys, house and lot, tayo dito, wala po itong lot only ha. Sa First Park Homes, it's always house and lot. At pinakita ko naman diba at the beginning of this video, yung kanyang, meron siyang complete amenities. So, yan, diba? Yung sa kanyang map, ganun siya guys. So, yun po yung First Park Homes, Baliwag, Bulacan, complete amenities. Yun yung maganda sa kanya guys. And, yung in terms of branding, kilala na siya, okay? So, may pangalan na po si First Park Homes, okay? Parang ako, joke lang, wala pa. Gumagawa pa lang. So, ayan guys. Again, my name is Nicole, okay? My name is Nicole and bawal po mag-walk-in dito. Strictly no walk-ins. And the good thing about First Park Homes and the developer is we always do qualification first, okay? Pwedeng gagawa ng group chat, send mo muna yung proof of income mo, ganyan. Kailangan qualified ka muna before we do any reservation, okay? So, qualification first before reservation. Online is okay. Do you need to do tripping? No, not necessarily. Pwede online. Kung nandito ka sa Pilipinas, kung di ka busy, okay, mag-schedule tayo ng tripping 1 to 2 days before, pero bawal dito mag-walk-in. Strict po yung guard rito. So, kailangan dito scheduled tripping with me, Nicole. Okay, kailangan nagpa-flash sa screen yung aking Viber WhatsApp number. Ano yan, guys? Kontakin nyo lang ako. Mention First Park Homes Baliwag or First Baliwag, 'di ba? Whatever. Yun lang. Yun lang guys ang kailangan yung i-mention, First Park Baliwag. And kung Messenger, social media, okay, you can follow me on Facebook or that's my social media account guys. So, yan, flashing on the screen, naka-blue check, pangalan ko yan, that's me, legit. At Messenger, pwede kayong sa Messenger mag-DM kung halimbawa wala kang Viber or WhatsApp. So, it's up to you. Just contact me. There's so many ways to contact me. Again, no walk-ins. Contact me directly. Pwede ang online reservation. At nakita niyo naman yung mga competition, di ba? So, pili ka na lang. Saan ba pasok yung iyong income. So, dun tayo, guys. Pwede po rito OFW, locally employed, dual citizenship, immigrants. Actually, ina-allowed na nila yung former natural-born Filipino citizen basta cash yung balance, hindi maglo-loan sa bank para hindi strict, diba? So, yun lang yun. So, they allowed it, which is good. Alright, so, there you have it, guys. All you need to do, contact me directly. Let's have a last look outside. Tingin ka sa labas ulit. Yan. Dito banda. Here in Baliwag, Bulacan, at ako ang tutulong sa iyo na makamit mo ang pangarap mong bahay. Oh, may ganon. Alright, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, palagi kayo updated sa mga projects na fini-feature ko sa aking channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.